Hi, Miss.
Good morning. Elsa, please mute dear.
Okay.
Maybe we can start with the quiz. We will solve the quiz together. So in the previous lectures, we were talking about invertebrates, a group of invertebrates, which is the insects group. And we said that some insects live in communities and we call them social insects, such as bees and ants. Let's start with this question. You can unmute yourselves to give the answer. I'm talking with all of you right now.
Yes.
Match correctly in an. Hassan
Hi,
Mroui.
Miss.
Who is Hassan Mroui?
Hi, Miss.
Hi.
It's Jude 2.
In a beehive, there are 3 types of bees: the queen, the drone, and the worker. And each type has its own function and job in the beehive. Okay? If it's noisy your side, please keep muted. Iltaf, it's so noisy your side, so please keep muted, dear.
Hi, Miss.
Hi.
Are you solving the quiz?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It has.
Miss, how much we take?
Amal, stop, please. Yalla. It has no stingers. Which bee has no stingers?
Drone bee.
Drone bee.
It's the drone
Drone.
bee. The drone has no stingers.
Drone.
It visits the flowers to bring pollen and nectar.
Worker.
It's the worker
Worker.
bee. It defends the nest.
Queen bee. The queen bee.
No, this is not Troy, and this is not try.
The
The
worker
queen has. It's the worker
The
bee.
worker.
Thank you, Hassan. Bravo. It is the worker bee. It feeds the larvae.
The
Queen.
worker bee.
The worker bee. Good job. All the functions are done by the worker bee. It is a female bee.
The queen and the
worker bee.
The
worker bee.
queen and the worker bee. Both are females. It mates with the queen.
Drone.
The drone.
It dies after mating.
The
Queen.
drone.
Queen.
The drone.
It's the drone. كيف الqueen will die? If the queen dies, the whole colony will die.
The drone bee.
Bravo. The only job of the queen is to. The only job of the queen is to. What does the queen
Lay eggs.
It lays eggs. That's it.
Lay eggs.
The queen lays eggs. It doesn't do anything else. The queen's job is to lay eggs, and that's it. It doesn't do anything else. Everything is done by the workers. The workers keep the colonies clean and healthy. Let's compare and contrast a worker ant and a queen bee. A worker ant and a queen bee. Yalla, how are they similar? How are both of them similar to each other?
Both are invertebrates. Both are invertebrates.
Both are oviparous.
Bravo. Both are
Teacher, both are invertebrates and
Invertebrates
both are insects.
Insect.
are
Both are.
insects. Okay, you can write lots of
Are
things.
oviparous.
Both have 3 body parts, both breathe with holes in their sides, both have head, thorax, abdomen, both have 6 legs. There are lots of things to write right here. Okay, but أكيد you have to write things that we talked about in class. How are these 2 insects different? How are they different? I'm talking with all of you. Who is Hassan Mrouwe? Hassan Mrouwe, who are you?
It's Jude.
It's Jude. Okay, welcome Jude. يلا, how are these? شو ما عندي غير حسن صبرة in the class and إلطاف? And the others. كروات, محمد علي حمود, ميرا, لانا, كريم, أمل and Aline. كريم. يلا. How are worker ants and queen bees different? How are they different?
Worker ants didn't have a wings.
Good job.
Don't
Worker ants are wingless. They have no wings. While
Queen bee has wings. Queen bee
the
have
queen
wings.
bee has wings. Don't send me anything in the chat. The queen bee has wings. Yalla, what else?
The worker ant didn't lay eggs, but the queen bee lay eggs.
Workers cannot lay eggs.
While queen bee can lay eggs.
The queen's bee's job
Queen bee cover.
lays eggs. It spends its whole life laying eggs.
And
Excellent job. Thank you. Don't send me anything in the chat.
If you want,
Amal, you lost 1 point,
you
dear.
want,
You
we
lost 1 point for talking to me in the chat. You know that this is not allowed. Yalla. Aside from pollinating everything we eat, bees pollinate plants. Honeybees are beneficial to humans. Tell me how. What do honeybees do?
they give us bees squeeze and
Yes, bees and
That's
honey.
right. Honeybees provide us, bravo ya Altaf, with beeswax
And honey.
and honey. Bravo. They give us beeswax and honey. Yalla. Honey is something we eat. It is a kind of food, right? It is something we
Yes.
eat. It is a kind of food. What does this food give us?
Teacher, honey is so important. It's very important.
Yes, what does it give us? When we eat it, what does it give to our
Give
body?
us
Vitamin E. Vitamin E.
It gives us vitamin A, vitamin E. Perfect. Bravo ya Hassan. It gives us vitamin E and it has too much sugar. It gives us also sugars, right?
Yes.
yes.
الهوني هيدا
And the
food.
beeswax
Honey is called
Yeah.
a
and the
food. Vitamins or sugar are called nutrients. They are called nutrients. What do we call them?
Nutrients.
What do we
Nutrients.
call them? Nutrients.
nutrients.
So today's lesson is about food and nutrients. نحن when we
Nutrients.
يلا, let's start, please, all of you. Tell me things that you love to eat. What are yummy plates for you? أنا مثلا, for example, I love pizza. What about you? What do you like to eat? شو يا كريم? شو يا محمد علي? علي حمود, what do you like to eat?
I love strawberry,
Strawberry.
pizza,
Oranges,
pasta,
Yeah,
chicken, French
kiwi,
kiwi. These are
fries.
all. What do you like to eat, guys? I'm talking with all of you.
apple,
Banana.
banana,
Apple,
Other than-
banana, French fries.
Okay, French fries.
watermelon, Milan.
لا.
Fish factor.
Yes, Jude.
Bees give us the lipstick you put on your lips, the wax.
That's right. So now, Jude, we are talking about things that we love to eat. What do you like to eat? Your friends said strawberries. They said kiwi,
Watermelon.
watermelons,
Bananas.
bananas,
French fries.
French fries.
Pineapple.
Other than fruits and vegetables, what do you like to eat? And I love pasta.
Burger.
Burgers.
I love
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
lasagna.
Meat. Fish.
Meat.
Eggs.
Lasagna.
Eggs.
Milk. We drink milk.
Milk.
I like to eat steak.
Pasta.
Steak, which is a meat.
Pasta.
Yalla, crispy.
Yes, pasta.
Pasta, we said pasta.
Pasta.
Zinger.
Zinger.
Yes, zinger.
I will write ملوخية too. ملوخية.
Yes. And كبة لبن.
Okay.
Rice and potato. Basil يا مس.
بازيلا. beans يعني.
كبة لبن. كبة
اكتب
لبن.
blah 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 blah.
لحمة مشوية وطبق مشوي.
Yes. I love them too. I love tawu too much. So look,
مشوية.
all of these هن types of food. Okay, يلا mute. All of these
Yes.
examples of food. When you eat food, the body doesn't need everything in the food. It takes best nutrients. يعني the body digests this food and takes the important things from them. بياخد الفيتامينز، بياخد الووتر منهم، بياخد السugars، بياخد المينرالز، بياخد الفاتس. So the body takes the nutrients من الفود. شو هن النيوترينتس؟ هن good substances that help your body grow and survive. And to live healthy, you need nutrients and you get the nutrients needed من الفود. عندي 6 different nutrients. 6 different nutrients. Proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates أو sugars. Carbohydrates يلي هن زيادة الsugars. القاف, it's noisy your side, you need to mute yourself dear. Fats and water. Again, don't unmute yourself, but read them with me. Proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, and water. يعني هلا انتو you eat to get all what you need من الفود. You need the nutrients. And the 6 different types of nutrients. The proteins, vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, and water. Let's start talking about the proteins. The proteins هن building blocks of the body. منن البروتين بناخدهم من الانيمالز ومنن بناخدهم من البلانت. You need the proteins because the proteins build you. You are built out of proteins. يعني your hair, your muscles, your bones, the hormones in the body, in your blood, everywhere there are proteins, and the proteins build you, build your body. Meat, chicken, fish, well, eggs, they are all sources of proteins. يعني when you eat meat, when you eat chicken, مثل الزنجر، مثل crispy, when you eat لحمة مشوية, when you eat burgers, كلهم فيهم meat و chicken. حتى when you eat fish, when you eat eggs, you get protein من animal origin. كمان عنا البينز، فاصوليا، nut butter والnuts، هيدول هن الnuts. والبريد كمان فيهم بروتينز. اوكي انتوا you need the proteins because the proteins هن building blocks. They build your bone, your muscles, your hair, your nails, your blood and everything else. ديل خلصنا من البروتين. البروتينز هن building blocks. They build you. You get them from two origins. أو من animal origin meat, chicken, fish and egg. أو من plant origin مثل البينز مثل النتس مثل البريد.
Teacher,
ديل يس يا حسن.
eggs help us grow.
أكيد أكيد. eggs في proteins وأنت you need proteins to grow because proteins build you. لنروح على الفيتامينز. الفيتامينز they protect you. يعني when you have let's say لما بتكونوا مقربين you need vitamin C to see well. You need vitamin A. الفيتامينز هن they keep you healthy and they protect you from diseases. Vitamins are usually found in fruits and vegetables. وعندي two types of vitamins. Vitamins اسمهم fat soluble vitamins يعني they are stored in the body. وهن A, D, E, K. A, D, E, K. A, D, E, K. هيدول الفيتامينز هن fat soluble. They are stored in your body. يعني the body stores them. They do not go. يعني each time انتو مثلا you eat carrot, you eat spinach, you eat بيكون الفيتامين A خزن stored in your body. When you drink milk or eat eggs, you get vitamin B and the vitamin D is stored in your body. When you eat asparagus, olives, avocado, vitamin E is stored in your body. When you eat tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers, vitamin K is stored in the body. يعني الكاريتس والسبينش بيعطوكم فيتامين A. الميلك والإيجز بيعطوكم فيتامين D. Asparagus, olives, and avocado, vitamin E. Tomato, cucumbers, والpeppers بيعطوكم vitamin K. الفيتامين A, D, E, K, أدك they are stored in the body لأنه هن fat soluble vitamins. They can be stored in the body. بس الفيتامينز B و C ما بيكونوا stored in the body and you need always to take food rich in vitamins B, C لأنه they are not stored in the body. Okay? strawberries واورنجز والبروكولي فيهم فيتامين سي. الفيتامين سي بيحميكم من الامراض. So you need vitamin C. It boosts your immunity. والفيتامين B موجود بالمانجوز بالبيتشز. Again, B و C هن water soluble so the body does not store them. ما بيخزنهم البودي. And you need always to get some out of the food. يعني لازم تاكلوا strawberry, oranges, broccoli. أكيد there are more examples. I'm just giving examples. في كتير food rich of all of these.
ماكدونالدز، KFC، تركي، العبد الله، الجواد.
Vitamin B. Okay, thank you for this. يا الطاب بس احنا هلا عم نحكي عن الفروتس والvegetables لأنه الفروتس والvegetables are foods rich in vitamins. كمان الفروتس والvegetables. طيب مثل ما قلت كل فيتامين عنده its own job in the body. يعني الفيتامين A to see well, vitamin D to grow strong bones and teeth, vitamin C to keep you healthy and protect you from diseases. كل فيتامين عنده its own job. وعندي أنا 1 2 عندي 9 و 4 13 عندي 13 vitamins in the body يلي هن فيتامين C و B و A, D, E, K. Minerals كمان they are found in fruits and vegetables. They help you grow and stay healthy and they have each mineral عنده its own job. يعني مثل الايرون، مثل الكالسيوم، مثل البوتاسيوم، فلورايد، okay. There are 20 minerals. في عندي 20 minerals needed for your growth. Nancy, it's noisy your side, please keep it muted. You need iron because iron is so important for your blood. Iron is found مثلا in nuts, in chickpeas, in figs. You need calcium. Calcium is a mineral needed for strong bones and strong teeth. And we find it in milk, in eggs, in cheese, in peas. Okay? والpotassium, potassium, it helps your muscles. It is found in bananas, it is found in yogurt, etc. ونحن as I told you, there are 20 minerals that are important for your health, for your growth. 13 vitamins with 20 minerals. 20 minerals مثل ما قلت في عند الايرون، في عند الكالسيوم، في عند البوتاسيوم، في عند magnesium, phosphorus, and many more. هن 20 different minerals. Carbohydrates اللي هن الشجر. Sugar, are you with me? Still here? لأعمل quick test. Hi. If you can hear me, please turn on your camera. Yalla, turn on the camera. 1, 2, 3. Turn on the camera. Rawad is not here. Iltaf is not here. Jude isn't here. Talia, Karim, Noor, Mira. Ali Fawaz is here. Good morning, ya Amir.
Miss, I'm here.
Okay, Rawad.
But I'm here, but I'm a little bit shy.
You shouldn't be. Yalla ya Mira, Iltaf, Jude, Noor Aude, Talia and Karim. Turn on the camera. Quick test. I'll count till 5. At 5, if you didn't turn on the camera, this means that you are not here. 1, 2. Thank you, Iltaf. 3. Thank you, Talia. Thank you, Mira. 4. بعد عندي رواد, وجود, ونور, Karim. 4 people didn't turn on their cameras yet. 30 seconds. Okay, thank you يا كريم كردي. بعد عندي جود, رواد فران, نور عودة. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rawad, Jude, and Noor. If you didn't turn on the camera, this means you are not here. I cannot put your names in the attendance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5, 4.5, and 5. Noor, Jude, and Rawad, I cannot put your names, okay? Yalla, let's continue. So again, for the others, you can turn off your cameras now. It was just a test. Thanks a lot. You can turn off the camera. Thank you, Amir. Thank you, Aline and Aman. So there are 6 nutrients. شفنا البروتينز هن building blocks. شفنا vitamins هن they keep us healthy. في عندي 13 different vitamins. شفنا minerals في عندي 20 minerals وكمان كل mineral عنده its own job in the body. هلا رح نحكي عن الكربوهيدرات اللي هن السugars. عندي 2 types of sugars. عندي quick sugars يلي هن they give us energy أكيد. عندي simple sugars و complex sugars. Simple sugar when you eat things rich in sugar مثل البيبسي, مثل الكانديز, مثل الفروتس, مثل ice creams. هيدول when food tastes so sweet. هيدول simple sugar and they give us quick energy. يعني مثلا Nancy was playing sports. وأمل وألين were playing sports with Nancy. The three girls felt tired. They need energy. So Ali Fawaz gave the girls chocolate. Chocolate tastes sweet. So it has simple carbohydrates. في simple sugar in it. It will give the girls simple carbohydrates أو simple sugar. وكمان هيدا الشوجر رح يعطيهم ال energy needed and they can continue exercising. Okay? Complex carbohydrates need time. The complex carbohydrates they need time in the body. يعني هيدول الفود فيهم starch والستارش رح يصير sugar in the body. مشان هيك بنسميه complex carbohydrates لأنه it needs time in the body to turn into sugar. It's not simple, it's complex. البريد، البنانا، البوتيتو، sweet potato والرايس كل شيء made of عجين مثل الكرواسون مثل الدونت كلهم هيدول فيهم ستارش. الباستا مثلا كلهم فيهم ستارش فيهم complex carbohydrates وinside the body هيدا الستارش will turn into sugars.
Miss, I think you're pressing Google because we're hearing the noise.
Okay, عندنا الفاتس بتعرفوا we should not consume too much fats لأنه this will make us fat and they are not too healthy but they are important. Fats they are important لأنه they build things in the body. كمان they help us to absorb some vitamins مثل vitamins A, D, E, K. The fats are important but in a small amount. في عند الwater. The water is so important to digest food, to keep a normal body temperature. Okay? هون نحن بنكون we finished talking about the 6 type of nutrients. خلصنا نحكي عن 6 type of nutrients. يلا help me with this. You can unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself. عم نحكي عن الفود.
Okay.
How many nutrients do food provide us with? How many nutrients does food give us?
nutrients.
كم nutrients?
6.
6 nutrients. برافو يا حسن. عندي 1 2 3 4 5
and 6.
6 nutrients. يلا what's the first one?
carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates هني number 4. Carbohydrates أو sugar. برافو علي فواز. Carbohydrates. Vitamins. برافو يا حسن. عندي vitamins. شو are boys better than the girls? Proteins. برافو. برافو يا نانسي. Proteins. Food give us proteins. Fats. Bravo. Who said it? Fats.
Nancy.
Bravo يا نانسي. What else?
Teacher,
Water. Bravo يا حسن. The last one. مين رح يحذر the last one?
sugar.
Minor
Minerals. Proteins بيجوا من animal origin. Animal origin. في عندي proteins بحصل عليهم من animal origin أو من plant origin أو animals أو plants. والproteins they are so important because they build us. Okay? الميت, chicken, fish و eggs بيعطوني proteins. البينز والنتس والبريد بيعطوني كمان بروتينز اللي هن من البلانت اوريجين. How many vitamins في عندي؟
How many what?
vitamins.
عندك A
برافو، عندي A
D
D,
A
A, C,
D
A, D, C, and K.
هيدول الأربعة هن fat soluble. They stay in the body. لما باكلهم they get stored in the body. بيتخزنوا in the body. هودي أربعة. والناين الباقيين هن مين ومين؟
vitamin C,
عندي
Vitamin
vitamin
C.
C
and
and
B
B.
and C.
B and C لأنه في عندي
B.
group of vitamins B. B and C ما بيتخزنوا بالبودي بس and we need to always eat food rich in vitamin C and B ومثل ما قلنا كل فيتامين عنده its own job in the body. طيب how many minerals في عنا؟ How many minerals؟
20.
20 minerals وكل mineral عنده its own job. مثل الايرون منيح للدم، الكالسيوم منيح للعظم وللاسنان،
Calcium.
البوتاسيوم منيح للمصل.
وصوديوم
في عندي صوديوم. مين هيدا البطل؟ هو سدت الطاف.
الطاف.
في عندي
Yes.
مغنيسيوم وفي عندي فوسفورس، في عندي فلورايد، في عندي
بروتينات.
كتير كتار. هيدول المينرالز. عندي 20 مينرال، كل مينرال عنده its own job in the body. يلا carbohydrates. عندي simple carbohydrates اللي هن simple sugar وعندي complex sugar.
Sugar.
simple وcomplex. simple وcomplex.
Complex.
يلا اعطوني food كتير بيكونوا sweet و rich in simple sugars.
Miss, I know. Banana.
بنانا.
لا
بنانا فيها اثنين، فيها simple وفيها complex.
simple which is so sugary.
ايه
مش
صح.
عارفة الفروت إذا في شوكر فيها sugar. There's these things called راحة. I don't.
اعطوني food هن they are so sweet و they are not like كتير healthy وبيعطونا كتير energy.
Chocolate gummies.
chocolate
gum.
برافو. candies برافو يا نانسي. pastries صح. الكومبلكس carbohydrate.
Gummy bear.
gummy bears برافو. complex
Gummy Pepsi
carbohydrate
كمان.
أو starch.
Gummy Pepsi.
popsicle صح. complex carbohydrate فيهم starch.
Chips.
in the body they
Banana,
turn to sugar. مثل الدوغ
rice,
في عجين.
donut.
كل شيء فيه عجين بيكون فيه بقلبه ستارش.
Banana
البوتيتو، الرايس، الباستا كلهم هيدول فيهم ستارش. Should we consume carbohydrates يا جماعة؟ don't forget إنه الكربوهيدرات بيعطونا energy. نحن we need sugar for the energy. Okay؟
We need energy.
الفاتس كمان.
We don't really have to.
والفاتس كمان بيعطونا energy.
Fats.
We should not consume too much fat لأنه this is not healthy. الwater كمان is so important to digest food and to keep our body temperature تكون normal. Okay? Yeah. Let's continue. So عندي 6 nutrients. How many nutrients?
6
nutrients. ما سمعتكم. How many nutrients? How many nutrients?
carbohydrates, fats, water. 6 nutrients.
عندي 6 nutrients. How many nutrients?
6 nutrients.
How many nutrients? برافو يا الطاف. proteins هيدا 1.
6
vitamins.
vitamins,
carbohydrates.
minerals, carbohydrates, fats, and water. This is 6 nutrients.
بس عندي 5 food groups. 6 nutrients بس 5 food groups. تعالوا نشوفهم. I'm not gonna talk about this. Watch the lecture video. And let me now, since we still have 4 minutes,
I have lost
عن
كمان.
5 food groups. الأكل food is classified into 5 groups. عندي 5 food groups بس. الفروتس جروب، vegetables جروب. مين بيقول لي الفروتس والفيجيتابلز شو أكثر شيء بيعطونا؟ أي نوترينت
Strawberry.
بيعطونا؟ لحظة. عندي 6 nutrients.
Water.
Listen to the question. Protein,
أنا بعرف البنانا
vitamins,
بتقوي.
minerals, carbohydrates, fats, water. الفروتس والفيجيتابلز أكثر شيء بيعطونا شو؟ What do they give us?
They give us
يعني
vitamins. They give us
Vitamins, برافو.
بروتين.
لا مش بروتين.
protein
بيعطونا vitamins
لا.
and
minerals.
and protein.
برافو. Vitamins and minerals.
Minerals.
Vitamins and minerals. طيب الجرينز، جرينز يعني البينز، يعني الباستا، يعني
Everything
البريد،
that's grown
يعني الرايس. شو بيعطونا الجرينز؟
اللي بيكون شجر.
شجر، صح. كربوهيدرات. مين هيدا البطل؟ الطاف.
يا
كربوهيدرات بيعطونا كربوهيدرات اكثر شيء كومبلكس كربوهيدرات.
يس.
يلا البروتينز شو بيعطونا؟ البروتينز واضحه، يعني الميت والفيش والاجز. شو بيعطونا؟
يا
protein.
they give us proteins. برافو يا نانسي.
بروتين.
برافو. they give us proteins.
What is this? The dairy.
dairy يعني
Miss
كل
Rosie,
شيء made out of milk. كل شيء معمول من الميلك. شو بيعطونا الديري؟
It's water.
يعني حيكون فيهم ووتر، حيكون فيهم كالسيوم.
Water.
هون أكثر شيء بيعطونا
Sodium.
كالسيوم.
What about the miss?
Yes.
and water.
بيعطونا كالسيوم. اوكي؟ سو هون صار في عندي 6 nutrients.
Miss?
صار في عندي 6 nutrients. الفيتامينز والمينرالز، البروتينز، الكربوهيدرات. شو بعد في؟ بعد في عندي الفات والووتر. You should drink enough water. Anyway, انتو usually you cook your food using water. والفروتس والvegetables فيهم too much water. يعني الكيوكمبر، التوماتو، الفروتس فيهم كتير water. They are juicy. So you are getting water. والفات والفاتس مش لازم ناكل منه كتير. يعني انتو when you cook meat, الميت فيها شوي fat. When you eat eggs, الأكل فيها شوي fat. الأفوكادو مثلا فيها fat. الأويل that you use to cook food كمان فيه fat. Okay? So لازم هيدا each time you eat. لحظة يا تاليا. Each time you eat لازم الفود بليت اللي إلكم يكون فيه نصه fruits and vegetables. عندكم grains. ولازم يكون فيه proteins. ولازم دايما تاكلوا شيء فيه dairy عشان يعطوكم الكالسيوم needed for your body. 5 food groups, 6 nutrients. Yes يا تاليا.
أنا بحب كتير الفروت.
واو. Yes يا تاليا. What's your question? بعد في عندك شي 20 seconds.
So what about the omega-3? It's from eggs and salmon.
That's right. Bravo. Omega-3 is so important. It is needed and it is found in fish and in oil كمان فيهم omega-3. الeggs كمان. Okay. So 5 food groups. صحتين يا لانا. صحتين يا لانا. 5 food groups و 6 nutrients.